Guys, today I'm going to be comparing the Autumn Wind and the Darkest Before pulse rifles. These are both 540 rate of fire pulse rifles. They're both really good in Crucible. This is the main archetype you want to be using if you're using a pulse rifle in Crucible. The Darkest Before is an energy weapon. The Autumn Wind is a kinetic. That's really going to be the only difference you're going to end up seeing. I didn't really feel like any of them really outperformed the other. I liked using the Darkest Before more. I think that's the one that's going to be used the most because of the prevalence of the primary SMGs in Crucible. But I think either of them is just as good. The stats are within like 4 or 5 stability, 4 or 5 range, 4 or 5 aim assistance. Like one has more of one, the other has more of the other. The stats aren't really going to make any difference. Darkest Before has full auto, which just makes it more fun to use in my opinion. But none of them have any perks that are really going to change the experience of using the gun for you. So I'd say just use whichever one fits your loadout more. If you have a kinetic you'd like using more, then use Darkest Before. If you have a energy weapon you like, then just use Autumn Wind. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later for more Destiny 2 weapon reviews and some other games that I hope to be making videos on soon. See ya.
All right, Morty, let's do it. Why don't you find a button on one of those keyboards and lay down some kind of beat?
Rick, I think we need to cut our losses. We get our family and Portal out of here.
Morty, good music comes from people who are relaxed. Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, all right. Oh yeah, you gotta get swifty. You gotta get swifty in here. It's time to get swifty.
Get swifty? What the hell is that?
It's our world's best effort, that's what.
Take off your pants and your panties. Shit on the floor. Time to get swifty in here. I'm Mr. Bulldog.
Mr. Bulldogs?
Don't analyze it, Nathan, it's working.
Take shit on the floor. Time to get swifty in here.
And third-level donors get our all-access family pass.
Listen! The storm is stopping!
Hey, take your pants off. It's swifty time today.
Please be kind to us, for we are but tiny things with entire bodies stuck to your ground.
I like what you got. Good job.
Yeah!